benefit of Nigerians to watch this?
Primarily, there are two appeals emanating from the judgment of the Court of Appeal. But when you go back to the root of it, from the judgments of Omotosho J and Laifu J. And so the court today, on the prayers of the Learned Counsel for the appellant, the real PDP, granted that appeal by granting accelerated hearing, granting an application for the departure of the rules, abridgment of time, and accelerated hearing that this matter be heard, and therefore gave the respondents 5 days to file their respondents' brief, and the appellant, where necessary, 2 days to file his reply, the appellant's reply on point of law, and adjourned the case to 22nd of this month for definite hearing, meaning that by the 21st of this month, all of the papers on this matter would have been in. And on the 22nd, my lords, the very noble lords of the justice of the Supreme Court, will hear this matter. We must thank our lords because it is based on the facts deposed to in the affidavit of extreme urgency. This is a matter that has to do with democracy, and time is of the essence. And my lords have very clearly accommodated that, and we must thank them. It is this court, the docket of this court is very full, and the Supreme Court is very busy. But in recognition of the fact that this affects democracy, they have adjusted, and they stated so. They have adjusted so that parties in this matter can know their fate, taking into cognizance the timetable issued by the Independent National Electoral Commission. So we thank my lords, and we hope that justice will be done according to law, and that the opposition will be allowed, true opposition will be allowed to survive for the interest of democracy. Elections are the defining elements, recurring defining elements of every democracy, and without an opposition, there will not be any decent democracy. So we thank my lords.
Thank you.
Comrade Ini Ememobong, National Public Secretary of the PDP. Thank you.
Allah any go say follow the corona.
No, we'll handle it. Somebody to help you.
Sir.
Where is